Greetings from Radius Theme. Today I will show you how to use the classified listing coupon add-on. But first let's check what we have in coupon add-on from Radius Theme website. Great, from the coupon page, we have a documentation for further instruction. All the coupon features are written there. Without further delay, let's buy the coupon to add in our classified listing and directory websites. Buy the suitable add-on plan for your websites. Has money-back guarantee and support. After purchasing, we need to upload the zip file of the plugin. Go to Plugins tab and click Add New, then Upload. Then click Install. And after that activate the plugin. Now, after activating, go to Classified Listing tab and a new Coupon tab will appear. From the Coupon tab, click Add Coupon. You will see an empty field, where our new coupon will appear. Click Generate Coupon Code. Then for that coupon, we will choose the discount type as percentage format. Set an amount for coupon discount. Mention the coupon validity. Select the pricing type for membership. You can include or exclude any pricing amount. Then click Publish to save the coupon. Now just copy the coupon. Let's check how the coupon works with the user end. Then go to your My Account. From Membership Report click Subscription link. Now simply apply the coupon code on the field and apply coupon. Great, the coupon generated works perfectly. After purchasing the membership, we can get a breakdown of purchase details with discount information. Now we will make another coupon on fixed discount type. From discount type, choose fixed discount. Then set an amount. Select the pricing type and click Update. Then copy the coupon code and let's check from the user end. Go to My Account. Then buy membership subscription. Apply the coupon in here. Wow, the coupon works perfectly. Proceed to payment. Then see the breakdown of your purchase. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.